Hey everyone, I'm Justin Fisher in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with the wonderful Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. How are you doing today?
Fine, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good. One of my favorite things you brought with you in a different form, and you're going to do something completely different with it, but sunflower seeds.
Right, so we're actually going to use this as a meat replacement. So you might have had a lettuce wrap somewhere that was chicken.
Yeah.
You might have had a tofu, but we're going to go even a different non-meat version using sunflower seeds. Okay, so we're going to go with a little bit of sesame oil, a couple of tablespoons of sesame oil. We're going to saute a little garlic in there. If we had a little more time, we'd really give that a sizzle. Some lower sodium soy sauce.
Yeah, we want to stay on lower sodium. Gotcha.
Some rice wine vinegar. A couple of tablespoons of sambal or a garlic chili paste, just whatever's your favorite. You could use sriracha here instead. And then some peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Okay, so everybody loves their good peanut sauce. So that's going to go right in. That's going to get all whisked together eventually.
Well, you're messing with peanut butter. It's sticky and delicious.
That's right. Okay, so this is going to get whisked until it's a nice, smooth sauce, which it doesn't take very long at all. And
you
could
kind of
bring it to, I'll just go like that and you can see it a little bit. So this just comes to a little bit of a bubble, and you might need a little bit of water. So I've got some water here just in case our sauce is too thick.
Just add like a little bit and keep stirring and then kind of eyeball it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're not going to add too many calories with the water, right?
Yeah.
Woo.
Hydration.
See,
that's
spicy.
Real quick.
Yes, very quick little preparation.
You like that?
And that is just going to go right over the sunflower seeds. Ooh, nice sizzle. Yeah. And then the next addition is going to be some sliced or diced celery.
Add a little bit of crunch too.
That's right. And for even more crunch, some water chestnuts. Okay, so this is just going to get a really nice stir. Everything gets coated really, really well. And these are going to go right into our lettuce leaves. So we have romaine. You could use butter lettuce. You could use iceberg lettuce, whatever is handy, whatever is your favorite.
So I know we're using sunflower seeds and kind of an alternative to meat. Why maybe these seeds in particular?
They are just really high in fiber and have great healthy fats that we need. Whoops.
Different form than maybe cracking it from the shells and all that salt added.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, so these are going to go, I'm going to fix you one up so that you can give it a taste.
Perfect.
Okay, it might be a tiny bit hot. And then, of course, we know that the garnishes are super important here.
Right.
So a little bit of green onion, a little bit of cilantro, and a little bit of chopped peanut. But go ahead and take a little taste of that if you want. But if
really quick,
peanut allergies are something that you all deal with in your house, then you could definitely use sun butter. And that actually goes really well with this because it is a sunflower-based product anyway.
That's really good. It's a little bit of the peanut butter, but I'm getting a lot of the sunflower in there too. I've never thought of doing this.
Kind of fun.
You're the chef, that's why. All right, you can get this recipe and any other recipe that Chef Val has done. They're really quick, really easy, super healthy, kgrh.com. Thanks for joining us.